I think every family in America can find a way to put this particular bike into their life because it's just a unique tool. So many different times when instead of taking another bike, I've grabbed the Vektron because it was just the most convenient thing. You can just pick it up so easily and you can maneuver it into smaller spaces. More than one occasion, I've had a friend who wants to take me somewhere, but I don't necessarily want to be dependent on the ride back or be, the guy without the car. So the Vektron's perfect for that. You just fold it up, put it into your friend's car, and then when it's time to move on, off you go. And freedom. It's really just total personal mobility freedom.
We got some pizzang in there.
Perfect. Thank you.